Hello guys, Global Studio here today for your SolidWorks tips and tricks. In this video, we will learn about how to make this fan blade. Guys, also please make sure to watch this video fully so that you won't miss any of the tricks I am going to explain in this video. Once you learn this video, I am sure you guys able to do any of the fan blades. Without any delay, let's start this video. I am closing this model now. We will start from fresh. Go to file, take new and take the part and click OK. And after that, go to front plane. We have to create our shaft first. So create one center line like this and create one sketch from here to here. Then draw like what I am doing now. Draw like this, one horizontal line and one more vertical line, one more horizontal line and one more vertical line, horizontal line, and we'll drop it here. Let's give this dimension 50 or 60. Then this dimension we can give 25. This dimension we can give 4. Height we can give 5 or 3. Then this dimension give around 5 and this height give it around 12. This dimension 12 given for bearing sitting area. This place we can place our bearing. After that, give this dimension 3. We have to mirror this on this line. Just trim this extra line and go to mirror option, select this sketch and mirror on this line. After that, click OK. Guys, these dimensions are just for modeling purpose. You guys can change it anytime. Whatever the dimension you need, you can change it to that dimension. I am going with some assumptions. It's clearly up to you guys how you take it. After this sketch, just delete this center axis. After this, make this center line for construction. Then go to features, revolved base, then select the sketch and select the center axis. It's already selected automatically, so no need to worry, just select OK. After this, go to front plane again, go to normal view and create one center line like this. Then exit the sketch and then go to this top portion of the cylinder or shaft. Then we have to create sketch over here. Create sketch like this. Give this dimension 200 and click OK. Before giving the width, create one circle like this. Make it tangent. Then we have to create one more circle over here. Select this edge and just click to the convert entities. Now we created 2 circles, and after that just give the width here. What is the width? 2 mm. After that, trim the extra lines, this one and this circle and this circle, other side also, this one, and this circle, delete all the extra lines that is not necessary. Okay, that one deleted. So that go to this edge and delete this vertical line, not the circle, so that is a edge now for us. After that, just zoom it and then trim the, and then okay, here one more problem, just extend it guys, and then we can trim it here like this. And also you should follow the same step on the other side also. Here, okay, it is already coincident, then we can just trim this extra line. After this, just click OK and exit the sketch. Select the swept boss or base and then select the sketch like this, and then select the path. After that, go to profile twist, select the specified twist value, then give the direction one as 90 degree. As you can see guys, we created the blade now. The next step will be very simple. You can give fillet over here, and here. You can give fillet like this, change the value around 5, and after that you can give fillet over here, and here also you can give. We will give the fillet radius 20 mm, then we will click it OK. After this, we have to pattern the blades around this body, around the shaft. Select the edge and then select the features. You have to select the features like this. Select the equal spacing and make the value 4 and then click OK. I think fillet is not patterned. No issues, you can give now also. Just select this edge, select the same way on the other side also. Here also you can select it. This side also you can select it. And here in this edge, and one edge is remaining, that is this one. As you can see guys, we created the fillets. Now just click OK. OK. As you can see guys, we created the fan blade. That's all guys for this video. Once again, thanks for watching this video. If you learned this trick properly, then please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.